former EFF Member of Parliament Mboiseni Dlozi is stepping into a new chapter of his career, taking on the role of radio host at Power 98.7. Dlozi will helm Power Talk, airing weekdays from 9 a.m. to noon, with his first show launching on March 3. In a video shared on social media, Dlozi is seen in rehearsals alongside his team preparing for his debut. He highlighted the importance of meaningful dialogue and critical thinking, vowing to create a platform that encourages deep discussions. He said, "We are going to speak, and we are going to speak hard. We are going to talk with each other. We are going to find each other. We are going to be a better community because we are going to prioritize a better argument." Emphasizing the power of conversation, he added, "This is your platform. Nobody can be powerful without the capacity to talk. The fabric of our society has always prioritized talking." Dlozi's move into broadcasting follows a recent resignation from the Economic Freedom Fighters, a decision he made to focus on civil society. He said, "I'm passionate about uplifting the level of discourse in the country, but more importantly, I believe the civil society space has been neglected for years. This is where the real liberation work happens, through community development, research, advocacy, and agitation for freedom." With his transition from politics to radio, Dlozi is set to bring his signature eloquence and sharp debate skills to the airwaves, promising listeners an engaging and a thought-provoking experience. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.